Hi, I'm Dr. Alexandra Maris. I recently graduated from the University of Toronto. My doctorate is from the Faculty of Kinesiology and Physical Education in collaboration with the Women and Gender Studies Institute. Broadly speaking, my research interests lie at the intersection of sports tourism and racial capitalism. In particular, I look at martial art destination training camps in Japan, Thailand, and Brazil, and why Western sports tourists travel to these locations to participate in particular sports such as judo, Brazilian jiu-jitsu, and Muay Thai. Through my critical institutional embodied ethnography of a martial art destination training camp in Thailand, I found that training camps sell particular authentic mythology of Thailand as the land of Muay Thai, as well as selling Phuket as an exotic locale of sun, sand, and surf. This form of sports tourist consumption allows for a primarily Western demographic of tourists to transform their bodies in healthified spaces vis-a-vis biopedagogical practices. Consequently, the local Thai population functions within a racial capitalism framework that impoverishes discourses surrounding race and ingrains racial hierarchy due to commodifying racial identity. Thus, this leads to the precarity of Thai trainers and staff and the furthering of health disparities due to prolonged exposure to combat sports. My dissertation addressed discriminatory structures and uneven power relations at a sports tourist training camp. My presentation during the conference will highlight the main themes in my research, those being racial capitalism, exotic pleasurable recreation, authenticity, and self-transformation. The consumption practices of sports tourists are enabled by racial capitalism, as it operates to sustain the global industry of martial art destination training camps, which results in oppressive outcomes. I will suggest possible, more ethical alternatives to this form of sports tourism.